Hello Doctor, I'm Dan Kairon. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use 4 important tools to analyze and understand computer performance and hardware, which is the CPU Z tools, Gin Bash, Mini Tools Partition Wizard, and Task Manager. So first, let's open the CPU Z tools. CPU Z is a lightweight tool that gives detailed information about your system hardware. So in here, we can see the processor's name, code name, technology size, and code speed. And here we also can see the level 1 cache size, level 2, and level 3 cache size, which affect how fast the CPU can access the data. And we can see the member tab, memory tab, and SPT tab. Member tab, we can find the details about the motherboard, including the modules and chipset. And the memory tab, this tab shows the tab type, size, and speed of the RAM. So for example, I have the DDR4 with 8 gigs at 2000 at 1596 megahertz. And the SPD tab, it shows RAM slot info, is used to check if you have empty RAM slot available. So CPU Z is a very useful tool when you want to check systems specific or verify upgrade. Okay, so now we go to the Gin Bash tools to measure the performance of the CPU. So I will run the CPU benchmark. So we need to wait 1 to 3 minutes for the result. Okay, so you can see the Gin Bash will give us the two score result, which is single core and multi-core performance score in their website. So during this time, Gin Bash runs a series of tests to simulate real-world tasks. A higher score means better performance, and you can also compare this score online with other systems. So my single core score is 1477, and the multi-core performance is 4753. So this tool is great for comparing system performance before and after upgrades. So we will go to the Mini Tool Partition Wizard. So these tools focus on testing this performance using the built-in disk benchmark feature. So we will choose the disk benchmark and we can choose the sequential, random, or both together the test mode. So in here we choose the sequential and random test, and we start. So after a few minutes, the tools display a graph showing. It shows how fast large continuous fast array read and write terms in the sequence read and write speed test. And the random read and write speed test, it shows how the drive handles small scattered files like loading programs of the operating system. So usually the sequential speed are higher and the random speed reflect the real life responsiveness. And you can see here we got a 4 tests, 4 kilobyte and 8 kilobyte and 60 kilobyte, 32 kilobyte test. So all of this is Mini Tool Partition Wizard test. Okay, and we will go to the Task Manager part. Here I will going to open it. In here you can see my memory achieved the 56%. This is because I only opened the Telegram software and the OBS Studio, which is record software. So it's only reached 56%, as it means my computer is under the low load mode. So in here you can see the CPU has only 7%. And I will try to open some heavy tasks to let the system come to medium load. I will open the Google Chrome and try search something. So open it again, and you can see my memory has already access to 70%, and my CPU come to 13%. And I go to open some most heavy software like Visual Studio Code and the Steam, which is a playing platforms, and the Microsoft Edge. And come to the Task Manager again, we can see my memory has already come to 90%, and the CPU already 900%. So when your system is under high load, the window may try to maintain performance and stability by taking action automatically. So if CPU or memory usage consistently high and the background apps become unresponsive, the window will automatically close the critical task. So this will help prevent the system from crashing or freezing under the stress. So it will continuously maintain with 90%. So That's all is the 4 tools to test the computer performance. Thank you, doctor.